trailer's put together?
It is.
So show us what you've done.
Well, the one modification that I've done is I put a nice handle here.
Well, that is a nice handle.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that'll be nice just to lift it up off the ground.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Uh-huh.
And then what we like about this gizmo is if you push the foot pedal,
Yes.
it is a dump trailer,
Yes.
but not just a dump trailer. It is also a pivot dump trailer.
Oh, that's
So
nice.
you can go like this,
Yes.
or you can come around the other side and go like this.
That's nice.
So it's
And
kind
this
of
is,
like a big, huge wheelbarrow, really.
yeah, and it's made out of, what is this, molded plastic or some sort?
Yeah.
It rated to about how much? Like, can we put wood in there and carry it around?
Yep. I don't actually remember how much.
Okay.
We'll have to look it up.
Okay.
Ohio Steel. And then I really like the fact that it has tie down points around.
Yes.
So we can do that. And then it has slats for, we can make our own little fencing.
Yeah,
that'll
yeah.
be
So
nice.
we put like 2x in here upright
Yeah.
or 1x?
Yeah, just little. These are just
Slats.
slats.
Basically, you break apart a pallet and
Pretty
you're,
much.
yeah, okay, good.
Pretty much.
Okay.
And then also here, some lumber can go in here. And then
So
have
you can section it if
section
you
it
wanted
off.
to.
Yeah, and it's big enough for 5-gallon buckets.
I thought you were going to say it's big enough for 3 kids.
Yeah, no.
It is
Fine.
kind of.
Small. But it'll be really nice. And
Yeah.
it's very beefy. We also like the fact that the axle doesn't go straight across. So you have considerably more ground clearance through the center.
Right.
Which will be nice.
And then compare again this width to, say, the tractor, which will pull it.
Yeah, the wheels are a little bit wider than the single.
Uh-huh.
But when we've got the dualies on, whatever Vinny can go through, that can follow.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And then we'll get 2-inch ball because it comes with a 2-inch coupler.
Uh-huh.
That was really nice too. We're doing 2-inch couplers all the way around. So Vinny will have a 2-inch coupler. The Jeep has a 2-inch coupler, and then I just ordered a setup for Zippy, where Zippy will have a 2-inch.
That's nice.
Ball, and also the ability to still do the pin attachments. So like
For like the dethatcher.
Like the dethatcher. Yeah.
That's
So
perfect.
we're
I'm
coming
so
together.
excited to be able to pull a dump truck kind of thing with Zippy.
Yeah,
That's
will
really
easily be able to pull this around. It wheels spectacularly well.
Yeah.
It's got the same tread, so it's turf tread, exactly the same as
nice.
Zippy.
Nice.
Vinny has a little more aggressive.
Wow.
But you're only talking 8 to 10 psi.
Uh-huh.
Very low tire pressure, and when you have all 8 of them, it's supposed to have less impact on the lawn than even a riding tractor because it's spread out.
Awesome.
So.
All right. Those are all good finds.
Yeah. So we're coming together with all of this. You can see everything at home.
Yep. Very nice.